Good morning, children. Today, yes, hurry up. Let's join quickly.
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning. We have done advertisements, classified advertisements earlier. Which kind of advertisements did we do earlier? Classified. Okay. Which advertisements were done, Peter? Classified, we call them. To let, situation wanted, situation vacant, matrimonial we did yesterday, bride wanted, bridegroom wanted. All these advertisements which we have done are actually classified advertisements. There are another kind of advertisements which are called display advertisements. So how many kinds of advertisements are there? Tell me. One is classified, the other is display. Name the two types of advertisement, children. Speak out, beta. What are the two types of advertisement? Classified and yes, Devansh. What are the two types of advertisements?
Ma'am, classified and
Display.
display.
Okay. Yes. So everybody, those who've joined me late, I'm starting again from where I started. There are two types of advertisements. One is classified and the other is display advertisement. Yesterday, which advertisement did we do? Tell me. For sale, for to let. What did we do? Which kind of advertisement was done yesterday?
Groom and bridegroom wanted.
Matrimonial. Very good. Bride wanted or bridegroom wanted? Matrimonial advertisements. Can we have a quick review of the types of advertisements we have already done? Situation wanted, situation vacant, for sale, to let, then matrimonials. All these advertisements we have done, these are known as classified advertisement because you publish them in classified column of the newspaper. So you call them as which advertisements? Classified. Now these are display advertisements. Display advertisements are meant to attract the attention of a large number of customers. Newspaper we are writing, it is only for few people, but if you want to attract the attention of large numbers, then they are called display. They can be of any size, any shape, any color. You can use sketch, design, photographs, anything. They advertise products, events, competitions, festival, invitations. So they cost much more than the classified advertisements. The cost is more. There is no fixed rule about drafting a display advertisement. It's like a poster. So there are no rules. Like you make a poster, you can use slogans also. Beta isko dhyan se dekho. This is a display advertisement of a newly opened furniture showroom. You have opened a furniture showroom. You are giving an advertisement in the around. Have you seen वो handlets, वो new small papers जो newspaper के बीच में निकलते हैं, pamphlets? Have you seen those? They are known as, they are a pattern or example of display advertisement. देखो बच्चा, see this. This is grand opening at Bangalore. Walk in. They're giving you so many offers over here. Visit for antique furniture, teak sofas, fabric sofa, teak beds, dining table, study table, kitchen, sofa, double beds, furniture, dressing table. And then they've given the address over here. So which kind of advertisement is this? Classified or display?
Display advertisement.
Display. It's like a poster you can make on your own, anything. They have designed it in such a way. They have shown that they're selling curtains, beds, dressing table is also here. So almiras are also here. So they're telling you what all they're selling. This is display advertisement. Look at this. The Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi, has announced a golden scheme for girls. Sukanya Samriddhi Yojana. Draft a display advertisement for a national dairy. Please go through this advertisement. We are going to discuss. This is also display, but a little different one. It's a government scheme. So it's better you give on a slogan, but don't, we have just given small figures. Can you see these girls, baby girls? Enough. Sukanya Samriddhi Yojana. Just read this. This is a little different from the furniture one. I'll ask you some questions after this. See beta over here. Who is announcing? Prime Minister. Prime Minister announces Sukanya Samriddhi Yojana. Spell of rain for the girls of 0 to 10 years. Bright future. Apply latest by 15th August. What are the documents required? Birth certificate, address, identity proof, domicile certificate. What do you mean by domicile certificate? Any idea what is a domicile certificate, anyone? It's a certificate which gives you at which state you belong to. Domicile of Uttar Pradesh, domicile of Rajasthan. Okay, which state you belong to. That certificate is known as domicile. And who has issued this? The government of India. But all such advertisements which are government ones, we always write this. Issued in public interest by the government of India. Please remember, ye zarur likhna hai. Rest everything you can plan your own. We have made this Ashoka thing to show that this is government of India. Please write this always. Issued in public interest by whom?
Government of India.
Yes. So this is less fancy compared to this one. If you see, here we are not writing who is issuing it, but here we need to write who is announcing. This is the third type now. There's a lot of variety. It's all your idea. You're the general manager of a Sovel resort. This is a resort. You wish to give an advertisement in the newspaper about your newly renovated resort. Your resort is renovated now. Okay. This is the place, Michigan. The name of the resort is Sovel Resort. See how they have planned this. Just go through this advertisement, then I'll discuss this with you. You're advertising for what? What is it? It's a hotel or a resort?
Resort.
Yes. See how they have planned. Please go through this. Thoda thoda you can see, enjoy your water, city and all that. Just go through it. second. Now let's move on to the fourth one. This is again a sample advertisement. I am not telling you this is an advertisement for what. Read yourself and answer my questions. Have you gone through this advertisement? Can I ask you questions? Okay, tell me, this is an advertisement for what? Bacha, this is an advertisement for what? Tell me. Cabin crew. You know what is cabin crew? Who knows what is a cabin crew? Yes. What is cabin crew? When you travel by air, the people who help you, serve you, they are cabin crew, like air hostess, flight attendants, all the young girl and boys that you find around you in the flights. They are all cabin crew. What are they called?
Cabin crew.
Yes. You have air hostess, you've got flight attendants. These are all called as cabin crew, beta. Is it okay? Now let us do this. Applications from teenagers, smart, young to be trained as cabin crew. Now they're asking about qualification. Public school, convent school background, knowledge of English and 2 more languages. Step in for interview on so and so date, this hotel, this time. For more information, contact so. See, this is the picture they have put to attract people. Now hiring cabin crew. Be a part of the A Star team. This is the place of the interview. And which airlines are they talking about? AirAsia.com. So they have given the name of the airline separately. This is AirAsia.com. And they've shown you air hostess. Is it okay? Seen this? Here you have the name of the airlines, AirAsia. What is the logo they have given? Work in the air. This logo is work in the air. Now there's one more which I want to show you. This is the last one probably. Yes, for today. Please read this. Tell me what is this? Sample advertisement for tours and travels. Just go through it and tell me where are they taking you. Then I'll discuss with you. This is an advertisement for what, Peter? Tours and travel. They'll take you to European countries, Australian cities, New York, reasonable price, excellent quality, comfort, attractions, delicious buffet breakfast. What is buffet breakfast? See, it is written as buffet, but you pronounce it as buffet. What do you mean by buffet breakfast? Anybody can tell me?
And we get unlimited food and buffet.
Very good, very good. Unlimited. Okay, it's served and you can eat as much as you want to. This is buffet system like you have in weddings, veg and non-veg meals and sightseeing. See this? It's a fortnight package. What do you mean by fortnight? How many days?
15.
Yes, very good. It's a 15 days package. And which countries are they going? Which places they'll take you to? Switzerland, France, Holland, Denmark, Russia, American states, New York, California, New Jersey. See, they have shown certain things to you. Okay, Paris, Peggy, now only for this much dollars. They just try to make it attractive. Emirates Airlines, they'll be taking you for. See, they've given all clues. These are the places you'll be visiting. And what does this show? This Emirates shows which airlines they're going to take you. It is considered to be the best airlines. So they have showed you this also. They're going to take you to all these places. Whom do we need to contact? Oberoi Tours. It would have been better if you give a contact number over here, which is not mentioned over here. It would have better if you give contact number and email ID as well, if somebody wants to get more details. All these are free advertisements. You can write anything, any word limit you can take, any pictures you can add on, any slogan you can put. Such kind of advertisements are known as, what are they, classified or display?
Display advertisements.
See, this is a display advertisement. Now let's plan this. Let's discuss one. We are opening a kindergarten school. We are opening a kindergarten school. What is a kindergarten school? Who will tell me what is a kindergarten school? Try. Never mind if it goes wrong. What is a kindergarten school?
Ma'am, for the children less than 5 years or equal to
Yes, it is for very good. It is for nursery and KG. Kindergarten school is basically for nursery and KG. So we're going to open a kindergarten school. I'll give you 2-3 minutes. Please plan. Of course, we'll not be able to draw all these, but what all things you would like to mention here, please plan it. Just 1 second. Plan quickly. Let us discuss. Name the school nicely. Anyone? Grand opening of at Bareilly. Name of the school. And what all things would you like to add on over here? One example of each I'll be discussing today. First, I've taken grand opening of a kindergarten school. What are the features you will highlight? Just giving you 1 minute, plan it quickly. Yes, Peter. Think how your school can be different from other schools. What features you will highlight so that people get attracted and join your school? Hurry up, let's see how we can attract people to come to our school. Yes, beta, tell me some features. Supposing you're opening a kindergarten school, what will you highlight in your school? What is special? Speak out.
Ma'am, that children learn through a playful manner.
Okay, this is one extra thing, one extra point that she's offering. Yes, others, tell me. What's something that is going to attract people to come to your school?
Ma'am, toddlers.
Food for every Saturday.
Okay, fine. Can we have a nine name? Somebody was mentioning some name. Toddlers, what?
Ma'am, I was giving an idea. Toddlers care.
Yes, toddlers care, toddlers paradise. Beautiful idea, beautiful suggestion. Something which attracts the parents so that they can drop their very small kids there with you. Yes, children, what else facilities which you can give, which will attract
Ma'am,
the people? Yes, beta?
daycare.
Daycare, very good. It's a daycare facility also. Like apart from the normal classes, if the parents are working, then the child can stay with them. Very good. What? What are the two very important things? Supposing you have to drop your younger brother or sister in a kindergarten school for a daycare school, what will be your priorities?
So, ma'am,
What will
all
be your
meals
priorities?
included.
All meals to be provided. Very good. This would be one great facility, no doubt. What will
And
be your
safe
priorities?
environment.
Yes, beta. Safe environment. Excellent, excellent. Safe environment. All meals provided. Very good. And if we talk about meals, then of course hygiene also matters, isn't it?
Yes.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
hygienic conditions, trained teachers, and safe environment. Of course, safe environment becomes very important. Can we think of anything else? What about the cost? Now, if a person is reading, he'll say, oh, so many facilities must be very expensive. So you have to give a hint that it is not very expensive. How will you give that hint, children? You cannot write not expensive. So what will you write? But you need to tell the people that yes, it is not expensive. Otherwise, they'll not come only and approach you. They'll feel so many facilities must be expensive. You can use the word reasonable or affordable. Okay? Affordable fee structure. Everybody can afford. So what is the word we generally use for this money matters? Affordable fee structure. Let's take this one now. You have opened a banquet hall. Banquet hall. Name the banquet hall. Give me any four features. That's it. I'll give you a minute to think. Banquet hall. This government one I'll take up later separately because it's a little different. You're opening a banquet hall and then you need to advertise for it. So how will you start? What will be your first line and second line? Then we'll come to features. Please plan the first and second line. Features will come later. Plan, children, plan the first, second line, and also think about the features of your banquet hall, which you would like to highlight. Yes. Any? Tell me quickly who is ready.
Ma'am,
Give me
the
the first
grammar.
one. Okay, the glamour. Oh, fine. What features which can attract people?
Ma'am, green lawn with air conditioned and amenities.
And luxurious room for stay.
Excellent data. It's got a huge lawn and it's air conditioned. The name, what did you give the name? Yes, what name did you give to the banquet hall? Give a name, a nice name.
And blue swan.
Okay, very nice. Anyone else who would like to suggest another name for the banquet hall? Okay, give me features apart from a big lawn, centrally air conditioned. Any other features? Talk about the seating capacity, adjusting capacity. How many people can accommodate? Accommodating capacity, tell.
More than 2,000 people.
Ma'am, there
Okay. See, whenever there's an advertisement, you first think that what all things you would like to check. If you're selecting a banquet hall, certainly apart from features, you would also like to know how many people can be accommodated. So in such kind of advertisements, always mention that accommodating capacity. Easily or comfortably accommodate 1,000 people, something like this. What else?
Ma'am, indoor and outdoor parking facilities.
Excellent. Very good. Very nice idea. Very nice. Good. Keep it up. Parking is one very, very important feature. Very nice in such public places. Think of more wonderful ideas for the banquet hall. Anything else which comes to your mind?
Hygienic.
Yes, no doubt. This also is one criteria for selecting. It is hygienic, it is spacious, it can accommodate people, it has got a huge lawn. Very nice. I hope you've understood how to go ahead. Okay, now one last. Let's plan this. In place of cabin crew, we are going to hire security guards. So obviously, the interview will not be at a five-star hotel like they have put over here. We're going to hire security guards. Plan quickly.
ma'am, please repeat the question. Hello.
Security guards, beta. Plan it quickly and tell me. Yes, we are done. Tell me what are the features that you will look for when you're hiring security guards? What qualification would you like to put? Do we need smart, good-looking security guards?
At least 5 point, more than 5.5 feet height.
Yes,
One should
anyone?
know
What should be the
martial arts.
characteristic features when you're looking for security guards?
One should know martial arts.
Yes, beta. Hurry up, hurry up. What features will you look for in security guards?
Ma'am, can we tell should have a registered gun license?
Good. Do we need to tell them about, call them for an interview in a five-star place?
No, ma'am.
No. So where should we decide? We can have the company's office. What place would be suitable for the interview? Physical standards would be better to be mentioned. Do you agree? What else things can you think of for security guards? What features, bache, for security
Self-defense.
guards? Yes, fine. Yes. Anything else we can think of for security guards which are needed as a part?
He should be tall.
Yes, tall, no doubt. That matters a lot. So you have understood what
He should
characteristics.
be.
Hmm?
He should not be a fatty one. He should be not.
Okay. Physically fit is what we are talking about. Let us plan now.
Or background.
Yes, background, army background or police background preferred. We generally write this. Okay, let's take the easy ones first. This one. Plan a trip now. Where do you want to plan a trip to? Hills. Let's plan a trip to hills. Or you can talk about a religious tour. That would be better. Taking people to all religious places. So it could be a religious tour or it could be a tour to hills. Please plan it quickly. Orally, we are going to discuss either a religious tour or a hill tour. A religious tour or hills tour.
Even hills too.
Who will speak? Who is ready? Tell me. Either a religious tour like Haridwar, Badrinath, Kedarnath, one by one, different tour places for religious importance, or a trip to the hills. Hills could be, you could start from Kashmir, go down Nainital, Jammu, all these places.
Ma'am,
Come on,
discover the
Bache.
Himalayas.
Very good. He's given a beautiful logo, slogan, discover the hills. Nice. Carry on, beta. Yes, yes. What are the attractive features? Why should people join your trip only? What attractions will you give them? Talk about that. The bus is going to be comfortable, 2x2, 2x4, seater, air conditioned, whatever. Tell me.
Ma'am, stays in 5-star hotel.
Okay, stay at a 5-star hotel. Very good. This is one attraction. I will certainly think about it. Next.
Affordable fee structure.
Affordable cost. Okay, fee structure we use for schools, and for other things we will say affordable cost. Okay, very good. Think what things will attract the people towards your package.
The transit fee included.
Okay, sightseeing, wonderful. Anything else we can think of?
Ma'am,
I hope you've understood the difference between classified and display advertisements. Classified is for a newspaper. You stick to the word limit, and you cannot add on pictures and figures. But in a display advertisement, it's entirely your creation. You can do anything. Okay, beta? You can add pictures. You can write slogans. You can add on any key points that you want to. It's entirely your creation. Understood the difference, all of you?
yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
We'll continue next time. Hardly a minute left for the class. Charlie, thank you so much. Let's meet tomorrow. God bless.
Thank you, ma'am.
God bless, bache. God bless.
Thank you, ma'am.